This is Kesman 93.3 FM, a new wave of excellence in radio.
And then you for Champions League night.
What is it? Yeah, you're going. Kofi Young about 10-20. Young.
So and then matches no mostly are Europa type matches.
I'm not with him. I will be that no way. I don't be surprised that
legitimate question. Question when we have
it. So there was no with him.
Yeah.
You know, and then most of the matches now call the Europa type of matches, but what can you say? These are the matches Bebaso and you have Chelsea playing against Mamu FF, 11 goals considered in the group. Or my equipping boys, they are only hoping. So two top players now, Mujina and Money in the likes of Antonio Kulak and Bemisevic. Or Mobeshe say to me, a Champions League, we at least on Benya chance now. Matimi sell or to the other teams are no mobile. But in terms of performance as a team, Obiang so more de bono intimate so any playing against Zenit, Chelsea at home, and then Juventus long performance and so any cry. And they've been the whipping boys in that particular group. So you are only expecting Chelsea say after winning their last two games, no, hoping say in the return fixture against Juventus, two teams likely so qualify. No. Chelsea beat me actually Juventus now making sure so better into this particular group. For me, an easy match for Chelsea, just an academic exercise. Surprisingly, and you might be in the Champions League, just like young boys, Manchester United, but to do here Chelsea team and the performance or more than I did for the Premier League. Almost Malusu game in the Champions League, but against Mamu FF, I'm expecting Chelsea to win. If you are not other games, Juventus against Zenit St. Petersburg, and someone so sure, but in that same group, the last game, Mamu boy against Juventus, no, they defended throughout. But in the last minute, Juve 8 minutes 1-0, 8 minutes in Petersburg. And Omo Babe BME in Turin. Yeah, who performance so I when it comes to the Italian Serie A, and over the weekend, Massimiliano Allegri performance again, and so and so. But in the Champions League, 3 games at Juventus are going to Omo 9 points. In TBBH, domestic performance and so a European terrain, Omo Modebon SNE. Zenit are also coming with those Brazilian contingent, Claudino, Wendell, Malcolm, Woma Barrios of Colombia, and these are the guys, Atem Zuba of Russia, and Omudo Moba. So her performance against Chelsea at the Stamford Bridge. No BNM says Zenit beat me at Tuaso. And before that, no Mabo close to 6 months without a defeat. But unfortunately, Chelsea break it tied. Juventus echo Tuaso. And back in Turin, you expect Juve to win. Meaning, so baby are just to survive. But in the whole, I feel say Juve have got the personality, they've got the quality in there, and the Bala back, Avaro Morata back, Umuse Lignenko there. But this is a game that I'm expecting Juventus again to win. Now, another big game, Bergamo, and only Manchester United against my friend Atlanta. Now here Manchester United from last season the BBC this season. The last 3 away games on Mabon Champions League in Koyim Famomo. Into Chomo last season against Istanbul Basaksehir and Koyi. RB Leipzig and Koyi. This season against Young Boys and Koyi. But Omotimi any victory against Villarreal. And in the last minute victory against my friend Atalanta. Into United away performance in sanity. So for my friend Atalanta and so on. From last season, this season, said you, Omonso Niaman Koyi Fabomo. Omo draw against Ajax last season, Liverpool Kosho Omo 5, and Real Madrid 2 Omo Kosho Omo by a goal to nil. But this season against Young Boys, Omo Timi share by a goal to nil. So, Omo, Nansenji Sababe said Gianpiero Gasperini team Libri. Into a lot of changes and a room a team. Into Ombabe PM or Old Trafford. Abrante fed Mark de Rona or yet the main stay in midfield no the baby shade defense him joining the 3 backer and Yaman Kuyan Farmom Lavoto and I'm saying only experience baby no or be give away chances and goal scoring opportunity to Manchester United or Old Trafford. But this time they will only be missing their key figure at the back in Rafael Toloi, but Bera James still is back. Mark de Rona is available. Abrante friend Mera de Ramre and so available and almost a lot to choose from when it comes to the 3-back. Joaquin Mele Oba Mu Old Trafford no Bebobi. Zappa Costa was part of the contingent of the Old Trafford and in midfield Robert Fuera is available, Mark Giron is available, and in the attacking phase almost all Munya Matthew Fesena there. Passejo, Zapata, Luis Muriel, and all these guys, Mario Palesichemo, Gianpiero Gasparini has got a lot to choose from. Manchester United in a confidence in the back, and in the game that they played against Tottenham Hotspur, anybody from Abedina, Sergio, problem be anymore. You are only hoping, say, only going to such a best taking to the 3-back, no, and that's all going for a 4-back, or best taking to Marcus Rashford, Cristiano Ronaldo, and I say Abrante FN, Edison Cavani, Ronaldo, 2 top on mobile, or best take it to them and so going to the dia. Then you need 2 players within your squad or more Italian experience. Now, so open also there. Ubenya from Cristiano Ronaldo, Ubenya from Edison Cavani, and Ubenya from Paula Billy Poba. Now, no Nema Uncle Yan Farmer after getting the red card when you chance to play the Tottenham Hotspur game. But again, Victor Lindelof from Kwani, the only player, so going to your multi 1 team and 2 because of Nokawanya. If Ole Gunnar Solskjaer decides to go in for a 3-back as you, everybody is available. Obiani himself, Rafael Varane is back. Harry Maguire fan into my Pefra in the last game. Luke Shaw in the last game he played well. And again, Wan-Bissaka for me has improved when it comes to this so much attacking player. And Paul Pogba, you expect him to be in midfield. Scott McTominay, Freddie obviously will go to the bench. Rashford, Greenwood, you don't expect them to say you on board this particular game. So United choose to go narrowly on Bebre because Sergio, team Fed Atlanta, Ewo Mrantia, so who decided so the game near Bamford there. There are 4 players at the middle, no Bebo. And the same thing applies to them when they came to 80 my friend Old Trafford. But say United decided say Bebo expansive play. No the ball enough and 10 no there. Zappa Costa and then Abrante FN and Joaquin Mele will be in trouble. But again, these are the 2 players that you need to stop them. Some person will stop with the attacking play of team friend Atlanta. And only Juma also here. Ronaldo is 1 player. I also Atlanta defense nation here. He played with them last season and the previous season, and this time in the Champions League. What Chelsea, he's 1 player. Sergio, it was so more or many experience and because Cristiano Romero about Tottenham and then Rafael Tula in Suepra. And see, bet trusted these young lads and they be making sure so the Ronaldo a better than sir. And the Cavani physical and the quality and the experience in the Italian league, no, on him how to play the defenses and the who how and link up with Ronaldo no ever kiss so well for Tima, your friend Manchester United against Tottenham Hotspur. So for me, it's a 50-50 game. You can't trust Manchester United when it comes to away games in the Champions League. And Atlanta and so 1 team trust to in the Champions League. It's a 50-50 game. A draw looks likely, but to win, Beba, I'm going for a United win. Antonio Conte, Babi Pimo, Tottenham Hotspur. Nasejo, or no,
before so be koso, dear ne koso Tottenham Hotspur.
So Tottenham, dear koso, and
Chelsea ne koya ya, as in Kubia and TV da.
I've been
Pam.
Oh, said at Chelsea.
Pochettino. Jose Mourinho, Santo.
Nuno Espirito
Santo, yeah.
No,
within this short period, now Conte. Then they go
so. And players say, opening training drills now do omoyeno, omoni so. Again, omo game against Burnley. Omo throw flight now omoye drone ko no omunim 11 ekobo match no. Again, no omunim the game plan for that particular game. Until the moment a player to better say a question with training drills and nature say, oh, the same thing happened to Carlo Ancelotti or Bayern Munich. Thomas Muller Muka said, train no, don't no muntimin, no muntiase. No money penny for me, meet so munyane. The same thing applies to Nuno Espirito Santo.
New coaches, we are see cool, growing national team. Any Moody, the players is a cool, growing and almost creating some binom that 2 coaches.
No, Sergio, for players on board the flight, a couple match against Burnley, no money plan on Mukako body, they have a point. Again, with training drills, no, and you are talking of these coaches, they've worked with Mourinho, they've worked with Pochettino, and you are talking of Hurricane and all those guys who have worked with world-class coaches. Into a more expected from you. And also performing above those coaches, no, in terms of the drills and the training sessions. And as I said, your players in the club best. Into again, let's not forget that Nuno Espirito Santo, the 124 days OD, he is working with a sporting director ono so ye new in the Premier League in Paracity nti Nuno new to Tottenham Hotspur the sporting director no so ye new nti se jo mbielu na two different people and ababi shemu ha again your key player before the commencement of the season in Hurricane menko mo anye fair to me the mental setting there et say is he ready to play? Is he ready to give all out for Tottenham Hotspur? Ni nyina kan ho bi na aba bi sina amanu no Espirito Santo akwa na chiri. Enti say do enye coach ne nko a. And again,
it will be the changes kra na Levy nim tso ron bof.
And now you Lucas Moura referee.
Yeah.
O yi Lucas Moura referee mu na ni pass 60,000 supporters on what stadium. Omo nyina bo ni tutu. And look at the posture of Daniel Levy from the stands. Look at the posture of Paracity from the stands. See you play a film. Now sporting director to Turensa. So on theater see in a film. Say you, what do you expect? Say what lose to touch from the dressing room. The leaders are also more back man succeed no more. Obviously the coach need to go. So the second of players or Chelsea, a second of coaches for Chelsea, it is very normal. Why? Because Chelsea want to win. Tottenham lose so touching here. Marketing players and selling them out there to the bigger teams. And again, their slot in the Champions League. Sequoia Sape or South Sanema. And Intin or Muguso or change coach. Baby or Mujina said for me, the perfect solution to them. And it's our Penia or Diabe. In Antonio Conte, so Fana. All but Chelsea, no. Not Chelsea at the 10th on the league. You say more normal Pamono. And kofa goose then buy so may stop gap. Conte buy no na any things were in disarray. Nany man koye for Chelsea. Or buy now no decided say Chelsea are simple in goals. But this time the fair job minister will be making sure say goals no more considering no betia. It is straight away. He's straight from the 4-2-3-1 to the 3-back system. It is David Luiz, Gary Cahill, Cesar Azpilicueta. No be and Victor Moses and Yashe. Chelsea. But say yo, Coach FN Antonio Conte ba no. She adwuma odi ma Victor Moses and look at how you got the best out of Victor Moses from the right. Okay. Marcos Alonso born abaso na nse for the 3-back. It was Coach FN Antonio Conte. Again, not David Luiz was so vulnerable at the back and Jose Mourinho and Carlo Ancelotti. But that defensive solidity ne by Emma Luiz team boy. A midfield of Kante, Tiomo Bakayoko, no Hazard or William, or the main attacking midfielder in Francesco Fabregas and Diego Costa. Until he is a disciplinarian. Again, he is a quick fix manager. Of which Chelsea no, or Coco PMU, Inter Milan. So you hear you in Inter Milan. For the first time in 11 years, playing 10 team in the league that. The first season, the second. He's one coach as I do on hiding the frustrations. So one time I become a supporter. And say Tottenham hesitant to buy players or non pa. Say do he will say it. Okay, the same thing here Piolo Usilio Inter Milan before Omokofa Giuseppe Beppe Murata Denaba. And players Omotoman and said do look at how Conte improved Romelu Lukaku. And then Hurricane has lost it. They will need a coach or then a confidence never back just to improve Hurricane for him to get back. Again, the number of time Tottenham continue to concede, they will need a quick face manager to fill the hole at the back. Christian Romero, Davison Sanchez, Eric Dyer, Tanganga said you for back in fact. For me, Conte is the right man to face that particular hole and the number of times of conceded goals.
I never come report on how he celebrates very important goals.
Yes.
So
politically,
yeah.
You need to find a way to connect with the supporters.
Yeah.
It is one thing Amar Rafael Benitez after winning the Europa Cup, when Team Yantina Chelsea view. Find a way to connect with the supporters. Only when I saw the same thing applies to Jose Mourinho. Sack in the morning, so no or ball in 70. You find a way to connect with the supporters.
But it's the question of design. Answer is simple. Say, senior space is Saki coaches. As will be in it like in your baby, but Chelsea and Cartini. That is the advantage of being a smaller club. Or a smaller club, you'll be so be and shut down how. So we can demand City lose it 2-0 at home to Crystal Palace. Baby, I need so be an advantage of being a smaller club, no.
City. So
they lost 2-0 at home. to Crystal Palace.
City a smaller club.
That's one of the advantages. Oh, a smaller club.
City a smaller club.
Comparatively.
Of course.
Man City, say.
What they to Manchester United?
Oh, okay.
A smaller club.
Okay, what do you compare?
So United if you lose 2-0 to Crystal Palace and
no was a City pressure ni hunter.
A smaller club.
Pressure ni ho. So what does obvious say?
A smaller club. Into advantage back on
we obia o baby or frustrated baby or be na question.
We a smaller club, that is the advantage back.
Ramo ko jo baji man no ne opakinum.
So Omo baby dada. Oscar Mark one of the advantage of being a smaller club no.
All right.
It is because of Pep. Manuel Pellegrini will not lose Roman Pamano. It is because of the manager. It is Pep Guardiola. Sergio, he's one coach. Baby, I want to be criticized Pep here. We'll lose Champions League final. Or game is so clear that Pep needs to win. No, I could lose. Asa.
Crystal Palace two.
No, I'm saying that Pep is not a coach that is mostly
critical.
Yes.
Monday,
how many people criticize Pep?
And there shows the Liverpool net if you lose 2-0 to Crystal Palace. Chelsea net if you lose.
I'm not comparing those teams. I'm not comparing those teams, but I'm saying that we get here City in Kano. City there no can. It is because of the manager. It is because of the manager. And
because of the club.
Oh, I agree. Manchester City level is not Liverpool. It's not Manchester United. I agree. Not even Chelsea. I agree. But the entire Manchester City lose or can it is because of Pep Guardiola.
Okay. Wow. What Sweden? Malmo FF.
I mean, they cannot be started.
Okay.
We are Chelsea first.
Okay.
Marshall Man United.
The good news is Pulisic back.
Who said you any?
Boy, no. What's wrong with him?
Said you not say ya. Unse. Anopani nyasta convo no. Like these very young guys.
Boy.
Yes.
Pray. How does
and said you, he's one player. I believe he come from France, Germany, Spain, Brazil, Argentina. He will be highly rated on ball of bankasa. But unfortunately for him, on my excellent performance the next day, not cause sidelines. The next day, I think BCC as a just or consistent the match Chelsea. That a bad Chelsea, not even in the Champions League.
Yeah.
But Premier League, no. Baby, I'm could do match Liverpool Mukakra, match Man United Mukakra, match Man City Mukakra. Now, you are bringing in another quality player. You have fit or Barbecue in home. Messi Mount to Cotton Chikakra, Mulusu Yes. On only replacement, there one also on the air on check. At least on what I 1 week, 2 weeks, he will be back. But in the absence of Timo Werner, Romelu Lukaku, Messi Mount, Chelsea still find a way to grant results. And having Pulisic back, said you, Obey had so much quality and options for the Chelsea attack.
Very young players, Ibra, Anna Hadripa, Oko Spina, Zumane Fatinum, Dembele num. Debia no more prepra.
Dembele, the doctors catch no Tino pra. So on the way in discipline. But Ansu Fati Diano said, you are not making no harm in Tiasi. A young boy coming up. Or Bonne the next match, no continue or Bonne the next match, no continue. I don't know if you can blame the doctors to be blame or no, and I saw more you. So you heard there's some more all the logistics, all the equipment to cater for players. In Tianko, you can't blame the doctors, but we've seen players and so on my prayer, almost back and said you, almost so any man kuyi and far more blame doctors. But I feel said. Those players will need to work under the likes of Professor Ortega and then Antonio Pintus. How that the prepare baby there, but this is the young say Real Madrid far Antonio Pintus by no. Senna has an injury situation in Madrid. Check Atletico Madrid with Professor Ortega and check the injury situation of Atletico Madrid players. Or when a physical trainer or world class as you. I hope so. Obiti me abwa. I'm a place na stay fit.
Oh, okay.